Hello and welcome to the Vercammen Lawful Legal Podcast. This edition, we look at the jury charges when there's a car accident and someone goes through what's called the stop sign or flashing red traffic control device. In jury trials, the judge gives an outline of the law and how to determine the facts. These are called jury charges. We find it's a good idea to provide clients with an outline of the law prior to trial so they know what's going on and they know what the judge is going to say. So basically, the judge says, our motor vehicle laws set forth the standard of conduct to be exercised by the driver of a motor vehicle while approaching and proceeding through an intersection controlled by either a stop sign or the flashing red lights. Then the judge reads word for word the particular statute. And then the judge will say, the above provision requires that a motorist stop, that's complete stop, and make observations while stopped before proceeding. It also requires the motorist to continue to make observations as he or she enters and crosses the intersecting street as the circumstances of the particular intersection reasonably require. The presence of permanent or temporary obstructions in view of the motorist, such as buildings, billboards, parked cars, does not obviate the duty of a motorist to make continued reasonable observations as he or she proceeds through the intersection, and is a factor to determine whether the driver's conduct was negligent under the circumstances. And that's the jury charge for when there's an accident and someone went through a stop sign or flashing red. For more information on car accidents or representation, visit website njlaws.com, njlaws.com. And if you're injured, call Ken Vercammen's office, and we can help you out, 732-572-0500, or contact us through our website, njlaws.com. Thank you.